guys, Yana. Today I'm going to be making a donut hair bun. First things first, you're going to want to get a sock, a long sock. And the thing you're going to need is a long sock and some scissors. What you're going to want to do, you're going to want to put your arm through this so it's a little easier. You don't have to, but you can. Just make it a little easier because you don't want it to be that hard. You're going to kind of flatten that out like that, and you're just going to do a little snip. And you're just going to want to cut. Just like that. And you're just going to and start folding just like this. I'm going to do it until you get to, I'll show you guys. I've made a million of these. And just to this part right here. You're just going to want to do a little more. And you're just going to want to grab that whole thing. Just put it around that whole thing. Just like that. Just like that. And you're just going to want to go like that. Okay? And then you have one. Donuts. You can make millions, literally. You can literally make a million of those things. It's not that hard. I literally just showed you the instructions on how to do it. It's not that hard, you guys could see that. You're just gonna cut this little part off, you know? And you can like use it as a hair tie or something, or like a little bracelet. And then, you guys know I'm good at DIYs. Just like that. And boom. You have yourself a donut bun. It is not tightened enough. You did something wrong. You definitely did something wrong, okay? Do that. And boom, you're done making your donut one. Bye, guys. Have a good day, and please subscribe and like this video.